Good morning, student. Student, we are seeing addition. In previous period, we see 2 number addition, then 3 number addition. Now we see, today also we see addition. So now today we start. So everyone firstly open page number 51. Page number 51. So today we solve sum of on a page number 51. That is task 5. Task 5 is there, and what is the task 5? Add. Means you have to add the numbers here. So first one, house given. Okay, 100 times 1. What is the first number? 374 plus 269. Now we start addition. Addition start from ones place. So 4 plus 9, how much? After 4, count 9 finger. See student, you can count your fingers also. Otherwise, on your finger, this part also you can count. So on 4 finger, how many parts are there? Like this. How many? Count on your fingers. How many it is? 12 are there. So you can count on here also. Now we count here out. So now 4 plus 9. So after 4 you have to count 9. So see which one are the 9? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this one up to this much 9 are there. So now we count after 4 we count 9. So count it. How to count it? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how much it is? 4 plus 9. How much 4 plus 9? So 4 plus 9 is 13. So in 13, this one we write downside and 1 will be carry. So this one will be here and we make a circle of it, this carry. Why? Because we understand that is the carry. Now see 7 plus 6. So count after 7, count 6 fingers. You can count like this also. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6, 13 and 13 plus 1, 14 is there. So for 14 also 4 will be downside and 1 will be carry forward. So 4 is here, 1 will be carry forward. Next one, 3 plus 2, 3. Then 4 and 5. And 5 plus 1, 6. So this is your answer. Next one. $286 plus 539. So add it. Now 6 plus 9. So after 6 you have to count 9. So how to count? After 6 what number is there? 7. So count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, here only because these are the 9 part. So what is there? 6 plus 9, 15 are there. So in 15, 5 is downside and 1 will be carry forward. So where is the carry forward? Here is the carry forward. Next one, 8 plus 3. After 8 count 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. And 11 plus 1, 12. So in 12 also 2 is downside and 1 will be carry forward. Next one, 2 plus 5. After 2 count 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how much it is? 2 plus 5 is 7 and 7 plus 1, 8. Okay student, remember first carry, see when we add this number then whatever carry is there that carry we forward in next number. then whatever addition of this number, that numbers carry forward in a next number. In this way only you have to do. Whatever answer, write down downside, and which one carry remains, that carry you have to forward in a next number. So after tens, which one is the next number? 100 is next number. So you have to forward your carry in 100 place. Next one. Now, start from ones place. So 2 plus 8. Now students, see here. If we add 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2, both are same. Now see here. Suppose in 2 we add 8. So how many 8 are there? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So up to here we have to count 8. So now after 2 we will count 8 number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 plus 8, 10. Now see, 8 plus 2 also 10 only. So after 8 count 2. So 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So in 10, 1 plus 0, 2 plus 8, 10 is there. So 0 is downside and 1 will be carry forward. So student, now remember here, see like this, if 2 plus 8, if this number is big, then what you have to do? Add only this one. And now see in this case, which one is big, 9 or 6? 9 is big. Then what you have to do? In 9, you have to add 6. So now see, here in 9 you have to add 6. So after 9 count 6. Then after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15 and 15 plus 1, 16. In 16, what you have to do? 6 is downside and 1 will be carry forward. Next one. Where we carry? That carry goes next number. That means it is a forward. Which one is the next number? There only I have to give carry. Now, 1 plus 5 or 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Now next sum. Okay student, understand now how to solve this one. This number's carry goes here. Then this number additions carry goes here. It means that carry forwards in a next number. So remember it. You have to forward your carry. And when carry is there, when 2-digit number, 3-digit number is there, that time ones place you have to write downside and remaining, that is the carry. Now see, 1 plus 9 or 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1. In 9 you have to add 1. So what is the answer? 10. So in 10, 0 is downside and 1 is a carry. So that carry forward in a next number. So here is the carry. Next one. 5 plus 6. In 5 you have to add 6. So add. After 5 count 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 is 11. And 11 plus 1, 12. So in 12, 2 is downside. Okay, 2 is downside. Means 1's place is a downside. And 10's place will be carry forward. So this one is a carry forward. Next one. 4 plus 2, in 4 add 2, 4, 5, 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. So what is the answer? 720. We see next sum. What is the next sum? See, fifth sum is there. 154 plus 676. Now add it. 4 plus 6 means in 6 you have to add 4. So after 6 count 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 10, 0 is here and 1 will be carry forward. If you can't understand, then write beside it. So 0, 1's place downside and remaining 1 is a carry. So see, here is the carry. Now 5 plus 7 means 7 you have to add 5. So after 7 count 5. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 1, 13. So in 13, 3 is here, 1 is a carry forward. Next one. 1 plus 6, 7 and 7 plus 1, 8. So what is the answer, student, here? 830. Okay? So, what is the sixth sum? 598 plus 233. So, here also we start addition from 1's place. So, how to add it? 8 plus 3. So, after 8 count 3. So, 8 then count 3. 9, 10, 11. In 11, what we have to do? This one is a downside and this one, 10's place 1 is, it become carry. So we circle that carry. Now next one, 9 plus 3. So in 9 add 3. After 9 count 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12 and 12 plus 1, 13. In C, 13, 3 is downside and 1 will be carry forward. So here goes carry. Now 5 plus 2, after 5 count 2, 6 and 7 and 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the answer. What is the answer? 831. We see seventh one. Now see, 8 plus 3, after 8 count 3, 9, 10, 11. 11, 1 is here, 1 will be carry forward. Now, 5 plus 7, means 7 you have to add 5. So after 7 count 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12 and 12 plus 1, 13. In 13, see, 13, 3 is downside and 10's place. What is it? On 10's place, that is 1, that is the carry forward. Next one, 2 plus 4, 6. Yes, 2 plus 4, 6. In 4 you have to add 2, 4, 5, 6 and 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 731. Okay student, I hope you understand this one. Now see your today's homework. your maths homework and classwork. Page number 51. Question number 1 to 8. Means question number 1 to 7 I solve, 8 solve by yourself. In notebook also and textbook also. Whenever you are solving notebook, then write down this one properly. Task 5, then add and write down these sums properly. And one page write down only, means suppose this is a page. Okay. So in page, how to write down? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And if you have more space, then write down 5 and 6. Okay. Don't write more than that. You have to write 6 sum on a one page. Don't make khichdi. So solve this one properly. So that is your homework and classwork. Do your homework and classwork neat and clean. That's all for today, student. Good day and thank you all of you.